Bruh, XRP, it be pumpin'. Sorry if I sound a little bit nasal today. I have succumbed to one of the 6 million coronaviruses that are all over the place. So my nose is as blocked as the M25 at 5:30 p.m. British people would understand that. Anyway, so XRP is surging. It's gone over 12% in the last hour or so. And this is great news. And if you look at the rest of the market, you will see that it's doing this independent of Bitcoin or anybody else. So this is kind of an XRP specific pump. So why is this the case? Well, there's a lot of positive news in the system. I've picked these three because they're the ones that caught my eye immediately. First of all, you probably already heard, the SEC has now formally accepted Grayscale's XRP ETF application. Well, you can argue that ETFs actually don't do much for the price of crypto. It's done wonders for Bitcoin. It just didn't move Ethereum at all. But then, the conspiracy theory of Ethereum itself being actively suppressed, we can put that on the side. So the feeling, the sentiment in the market is people are in a bit of a frenzy because positive things are starting to happen, finally, for XRP. In a significant development for the cryptocurrency market, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has officially accepted Grayscale's application to convert its XRP trust into an exchange-traded fund. And then the article goes on and on. Now, I won't read this article here. I'll just leave the link in the description for you to go read it. But the implications of the SEC accepting an XRP ETF application is that the SEC has de facto conceded that XRP is not a security. Does that make sense? So it's not the ETF itself that is pumping sentiments, but the possibility that the SEC has now basically conceded that, all right, this is not, because why would they even accept the application in the first place if they thought it was a security? So this is yet another sign that the SEC under the new management has capitulated and will be throwing out the battle against Ripple in due course anytime soon. There's a meeting today apparently where the SEC will meet, and one of the things that they're going to discuss is the legal battle with Ripple. So there's a lot of excitement, a lot of anticipation. If you go on X and just type in XRP, chances are anything XRP related is trending on Twitter today or X. So whether it be XRP Army, XRP Ledger, Ripple, SEC Ripple, even Gary Gensler, for whatever reason, is trending today on X. So this is fantastic news for the XRP Ledger. Just the anticipation and, in this ocean of fear and FUD, XRP stands out as something that may pump imminently. So exciting times for XRP. This is amazing. Another maybe not so sentimental news, as in it doesn't move the market much in terms of sentiments, emotions, and FOMO, but it is something that XRP Army people and people who know a lot about XRP and crypto will look at and think, whoa, that's good. XRPL introduces RWA pool. The future of asset tokenization begins. This is a landmark. And again, like I said, it's not extremely sexy. So people who are maybe not savvy or, are just looking for a number go up or don't understand utility and stuff, this might go right over their heads. But XRP Army folk, especially those who say, I would never sell my XRP, I'm going to be looking for passive income or whatever forever. This is a huge day for us, right? So leading real world assets tokenization firm Elysia has announced the introduction of a new RWA pool on XRP Ledger. According to the report, the objective is to expand the existing products on the ledger beyond the US Treasury products introduced previously. Fascinatingly, this happened after Ondo Finance announced that it was bringing US Treasury funds or USG to the XRP ledger as indicated in our earlier discussion. So basically, I don't know if you remember the community event that we had on X, and Ondo then announced that they were bringing their treasury asset tokenized treasuries to the XRP ledger. I guess Alicia probably felt that, well, you're eating our lunch on the XRP ledger, we're going to eat your lunch. So now they're bringing real world asset tokenization to XRP ledger, something like that. They're now both, competing with each other. And as you know, competition is a good thing. So more firms are going to show up on the XRP ledger, no doubt, bringing their tokenized funds. And this is going to be very, very quickly the place to be, the place to go when it comes to real world asset tokenization. So that's going to bring a colossal amount of liquidity onto the XRP ledger. And in simple terms, price go up. Okay, so that's fantastic news. The other one that caught my eye is the XRP ledger integrates IBC for expanded DeFi access and cross-chain. Again, this is even more geeky than this one. So we have the FOMO, the first news about the SEC now formally accepting ETFs. That's for like the top layer, the masses. They know what an ETF is now. They know it means that a lot of money is coming from the big banks and stuff. So that's the layer, the top layer. Middle layer is the tokenization of real world assets coming to XRP ledger in a different way. And now this is like bottom layer stuff for the engineers, those who, keep abreast of what's actually happening fundamentally with the technology, who are, savvy developers, technical people, yada, yada, yada. People who do a lot of research into the nitty gritty, people who read white papers, nerdy, geeky stuff, right? So the XRP ledger has now connected with the inter-blockchain communication IBC protocol, significantly enhancing XRP's access to decentralized finance. This integration links XRPL to Cosmos and Ethereum virtual machine networks, improving liquidity and enabling smooth cross-chain interactions. Man, we're going to get an influx of all of these current products that are sitting on Ethereum looking for a place to go. Like I've been saying in my old videos, that Ethereum, unless something drastic happens, is pretty much dying out. It's on its way out. It's like an empire at the end of its existence. We have the new guys coming in. We have XRP Ledger that is basically taking the world by storm. And you have all of these products sitting on, Cosmos and all these other like Ethereum, Avalanche and stuff, kind of side-eyeing XRP Ledger. And now we have this connection. Obviously, the XRP Ledger doesn't have smart contracts at the moment, but with technological improvements like this one that allow cross-chain activities, now we have the possibility of building apps that aren't necessarily sitting on the XRP Ledger, but can communicate and utilize the benefits of the XRP Ledger. So you know that a lot of liquidity is going to be moving across from some of these platforms. It's like opening a portal through which money can flow onto the XRP Ledger from the Ethereum blockchain and others, right? This new development marks a turning point for XRP, offering its users a direct way to participate in DeFi applications, expanding its use beyond just payments. By adding IBC compatibility, XRPL's capabilities grow, positioning XRP as a strong player in the world of cross-chain transactions. The move was made possible by PeerSys technology, making it easier for XRPL to interact with other blockchain ecosystems. Can I just say that this points out that a lot of the advances that are actually happening on the XRP ledger on the technological level aren't necessarily done by Ripple. This is a completely different organization. The XRP ledger itself is a decentralized blockchain, and we have several companies who work on the XRP ledger And everything that these companies do marches XRP Ledger forward, makes it more productive, widens the utility. Another project is XRP Healthcare, one of my absolute favorite projects in the world. Also sitting on the XRP Ledger, also doing their own thing, doing the AI angle of things and bringing artificial intelligence and healthcare onto the XRP Ledger. This is an absolutely huge day, and I'm not surprised at all that XRP, the price, is responding as such because, you know, the sky is the limit. And look at us, we're at $2.74. And by the end of today, we might breach $3. And then we're going to head for that all-time high as the week goes on. Depending on what happens with the meeting, you know, with the SEC or whatever, who knows what's going to be announced today. Unfortunately, we're moving into the weekend when things usually quieten down a little bit. But, you know, it's Valentine's Day. Who knows? This might be a love gift from XRP to the XRPL and XRP Army. So happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I'm coincidentally wearing red. That actually has nothing to do with that. That's just a coincidence. But man, can you imagine? We could go to $3.50 even today, by the end of today. So it's morning time here in the United Kingdom. You guys are asleep in the United States. So this is us in Europe and Asia that are buying XRP at the moment. When you guys wake up, either we will be dumping because we've had bad news or whatever, or you guys would join the FOMO, and then we will see the God candle that we've been waiting for all week. And as the week unfolds, man, who knows where we're going to go. So none of this is financial advice, of course. Do your own research. I will see you in the next video. Peace.